Good morning and welcome to Hawaii Day 13. We are on the run to get to the Koa Pancake House for some breakfast. Self-proclaimed the best breakfast place in Hawaii. I'm about to test that theory right now. Now that's a breakfast plate, or several. So Koa breakfast was pretty darn good. Good enough that the hiker hunger struck again. And I had all of my food, plus O'Nea's eggs and all of her pancakes, and then all of Brandon's potatoes and all of his pancakes, and some other stuff. So I eaten a lot of food. But we're now in the Airbnb. Let's have a tour of this cool place. Hop off the elevator on the 14th floor, and we are in downtown Honolulu. Overlooking the streets below and the ocean. Look at that ocean view. You can't beat that ocean view. But anyways, walk in the door. And we got a nice wraparound couch, dining room table, projector with Xbox for games and movies and stuff right there. Got this nice balcony overlooking even more of Honolulu. Nice. Looks like we can even play a little putt-putt. Test out my golfing skills. Nice turtle mural on the wall. Pretty. What else we got in here? We got the kitchen. Brandon, are you into the... Is that the Heineken tap?
Yeah.
Alright,
I think it's dry.
We got a Heineken tap, which we apparently have to get Heineken for. No thanks. Keurig. And some of these nice up-to-date Samsung appliances. Even a wine chiller. And a fridge with the computer in the door, which is all stuff I've had to install before at Lowe's. And when I used to work for Lowe's doing appliance deliveries, and that sucked. Super heavy. Bathroom here. Shower curtain looks pretty rad. That door's locked, so I think that's the guy's bedroom. Here's the bedroom here. And nice little offshoot off of Fion. Looking up again. Nice big TV. Wow. Big closet. And another bathroom. Whoop, whoop. With a bidet. There's a bidet. Ooh. Time for some butt washing. Hell yeah. Alright, so we spent a pretty good amount of time in the apartment, the Airbnb, just watching some of The Office, because I friggin' love that show. Got a couple episodes in while we were updating, everything on Wi-Fi, like these YouTube videos, because I was about 11 days behind, and I'm only on a 12-day delay, so I was, close call. You guys almost had to wait a day. Yikes. So we are now on our way to dinner. Some Japanese restaurant where I make all the food myself. And should be pretty fun. We're just walking through the streets of Honolulu. So we're just a couple of kittens out on the town. That's an Office quote. The beautiful streets of Honolulu's. And getting excited for some food. Gotta answer some of your guys' comments on YouTube as well, because I'm getting so much great feedback from you people. Thank you. And that's sober, so you know that's real. I'm not even drunk yet. I just had a guy in the street telling me that I look like El Chapo, so I got that going for me, which is nice. Do you guys see it? I don't know if I see it. We're in that Japanese restaurant having ourselves some all-you-can-eat, all-you-can-cook in the fire food. And we got our dipping sauces. And I even have some Japanese beer. Kirin, I believe is what it's called. And it's pretty good so far. I'm enjoying it. And I got my dates with me. Hey, girls. So I'm eating beef tongue, cooking it up on the old stoverino. And got ourselves some dumplings, some garlic noodles. Oh, sorry. Some gyoza. And whew, it's looking good out here. Everything's pretty normal so far, but now we're starting to get into the weird stuff. Liver, intestine, and something called enoki, which is probably pretty innocuous and normal. We'll see. The first contestant has entered the room, bacon-wrapped enoki, and it looks to me like there's some pretty stringy mushrooms. Give it a go.
Unless you guys want like the salad and rice, then I'd say maybe if anything more the custom course, but it's not going to be a
Tastes like asparagus.
I see work your way.
Intestine.
Yeah, honestly, so thank you though.
Pretty good. It tastes like you're chewing on animal fat. Huh? Liver. Brandon just demolished that liver. Look at that. That is a man.
Second order of intestines.
That is a man who just demolished all that liver that I can't touch. It's like powdery and cakey, and it like disintegrates in your mouth. And the whole time you're like tasting like blood and charcoal. But Brandon just ordered another order of intestines because that stuff's actually really good. It's like fatty and lots of flavor, really good. That's what I'm chewing on right now, actually.
I don't really like fries.
Nah, I think that's enough adventure for today. I'll stick to the chickens and the beefs of the world now. Dessert time. Vanilla gelato and dorayaki, which is a Japanese pancake that you grill. Ooh, baby! Okay. While I'm waddling down the street and catching my breath just from walking, let's do a little bit of a review of the Japanese food place we just went. I go with 2 thumbs up. Very good. And, most of the food was really delicious. The liver did not care for at all, but everything else was really solid. Good stuff. And the cook it yourself thing was a little kitschy, but I'm down for it. Just something else that's new. And now we're in the evening walking the streets of Honolulu. Might go to the beach, or might just go back and watch some of The Office and get that beach stuff out of the way tomorrow. Whew, I am full, I know that much. I'm ready for a nap. So we just popped by this Botox place that says that their product can make you look 30 years younger, and that's pretty tempting because I've always wanted to look like I was -4. I just feel like it really suits me. It's more my real age, you know. So I tried to convince Brandon to stop by, but it didn't work out so well. One of these days I am going to look -4, and it is going to be hot. Yes, the bustling nighttime city of Honolulu. I really enjoy it. I like the city. I feel comfortable here. Like, I feel pretty safe. There's a lot of cities I've been to where it's just kind of sketchy. Like, a lot of the people just seem a little off and, like, seem like they might be mentally disturbed, and there's some issues with them. A lot of people playing weird music and racing around. But, I don't know, this city's, like, Honolulu's clean and, a little more upscale, I guess. Which kind of makes me feel like I don't belong here because I am far from upscale. I mean, a man on the street told me I look like El Chapo today, so what does that tell you? But hey, I'm fine being out of place while I chill up here. I have no qualms whatsoever. Well, it is midnight in here. Brandon and I just finished up watching a bunch of The Office. So we are now headed to bed. I wake up tomorrow and do it all over again. We should have some fun things to do tomorrow nature-wise, so this is not the end of the good stuff. Yeah, Brandon, what the hell's wrong with you, dude? I'm over here trying to do a damn monologue and you're throwing out crushed ice on me? I mean, it's midnight. Jesus, dude. Go to bed. Oh, man. Some of these people, they just don't understand the amount of work that goes into this, Anyways, that is the end of Hawaii Day 13, and I will see you in the morning. And I might even have a picture or two for you. All right.